Morning class 7. Today we have to know how we can change a decimal, that is terminating decimal here, terminating decimal number in the form of p by q, like in the as a rational number. To convert a decimal, terminating decimal into a rational number in the form of p by q, we just use the way opposite to the decimals. So take a look at this. Students, I am taking here an example 1, to show you how can we convert a decimal number, terminating decimal number, in the form of p by q rational number. Suppose example number 1 is 0.4. This is a terminating decimal, it is up to 1 places. How we change? So first I am writing the number itself as a solution, 0.4, and then I write like that. This is the way as you change a decimal into fraction. The number of digits in the right side of the decimal is 1, so we can put 10 in the right side of 1, because any number 0.4 by 1, if you remove the decimal, then we get a 0 here. Now we can reduce 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and you can write 2 by 5 as in the form of p by q. Now I am taking another example number 2. You can see 3.75. We just do the same. 3.75 by 1. In the next 375 by 100, because in the right side of the decimal there are 2 digits, 1 2, so we have to put here 2 zeros, and then we have to reduce these two numbers. We know here it is 5 and we know here it is 0, so we can divide it by 5 at least. So 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, and 5 20 times. Now it is also reducible by 5, so 5 15 times, 5 4 times. Now it is 15 by 4. You can see this is also the p by q form. Once again I am taking an example, third number example 1.025. Again 1.025 can be written as 1.025 by 1. Next it is written 1025 by 100, because here the digits in the right side of decimal 1 2 3, so we have to put here 3 zeros. Now again it is divided by 5, 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0 0. Once again 5 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 4s are 20, 0. Now it is 41 by 40. Again I am taking another example, 4 number example. This is 56.875 then we can write it 56.875 by 1. Now 56.875 by 1 and 000, because in the right side of the decimal there are 3 digits, so we can put here 3 zeros. Now again it is divisible by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja 15, 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja 25. Now it is also reducible by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, 0. Again it is reducible. 5 4 ja, 5 5 ja, and 5 5 ja, 5 8 ja. Now you can write it as 455 by 8. Again I am taking another example number 5, which is minus 2.56. It is just simple example, but we have to take care about the symbol. Minus 2.56 by 1, we can write minus 256 by 1 0 0. It is simple. Now we have to divide, we have to reduce it by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja, and 0. Again it is divided by 2. 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja, and 2 25 ja. Now this is 64 by 25. 64 by 25. But you have to put the symbol negative, because the actual number is negative. Now again I am taking another example so that you can do 0.225. Now you can write 0.225 by 1, and again minus 225 by 1,000, because in the right side of the decimal there are 3 digits, so I am putting here 3 zeros. Now it is divisible by 5. 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 0 0. Once again 5 9 ja, 5 4 ja 0. Now it is minus 9 by 40. Students, now we have to understand how we add or subtract this type of numbers, multiply or divide this type of numbers, decimal numbers. Suppose we have to add 15.1, 12.03, and 7.209. So we have to be careful about the decimal parts. We have to make it like decimals, like 15.100, 12.030, and 7.209, and then add. Very simple addition. 9 3 3 7 2 9 9 5 14 4 1 carry 3. This is the simple. If we have to subtract 5.012 from 12.01, then we have to write in column first 12.01 and 5.012, but we have to put here another 0 to make it like decimal. Listen carefully, we have to be careful about decimal part and the whole part. Whole part can be written in the whole part and decimal part can be, you cannot write here from here. We cannot write 12.0 from here. Decimal part and whole part separately you have to write. Minus 8, 8, 9, 6. It is. Now for multiplication, I am taking another example. Multiply 4.8 by 1.84. To multiply these two numbers, we just multiply 1.84 into 4.8. Listen carefully. In addition or subtraction, we have to be careful about the decimal part and the whole part. But here in multiplication or division, this is not necessary. 8 4 ja 32, 3 carry, 8 8 ja 64 and 3, 64 and 3, 67, 7, 6 carry, and 8 1 ja 8 and 6, 14. Cut. 4 4 ja 16, 6, 1 carry, 4 8 ja 32, 32 1, 33, 3 carry, 4 1 ja 4 or 3, 7. Then I 2. This is the multiplication. For division, I am taking another example. Divide 6.25 by 0.5. It means we have to divide 6.25 by 0.5. We have to make it like decimal and then remove the decimal. 625 by 50. Okay, now we can divide it. How? 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 10 ja 50. 1 0, you can write it 12.5. So students, this is the way to convert a terminating decimal into a rational number in the form of p by q, and how we can add, subtract, multiply or divide. You saw here. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths, and you have to be careful about our online class. Thank you very much.